Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Shopify store. First, make sure you have a GoDaddy account with a registered domain and an active Shopify store. If you have those ready, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, find and click on Settings. Under Settings, click on Domains. You will see an option that says Connect Existing Domain. Click on it. Now enter the domain name you purchased from GoDaddy. For example, if your domain is mybusiness.com, type it exactly as it is and then click Next. You will be asked to log in to your GoDaddy account. Enter your GoDaddy username and password and sign in. After signing in, Shopify will ask for permission to access your GoDaddy account to make the changes for you. Click on Connect and confirm. This allows Shopify to update your DNS settings without you having to do anything manually. Once you confirm, Shopify will show a success message. That is all you need to do. Your GoDaddy domain is now connected to your Shopify store and your site is ready for visitors.